Today we are giving you a 5-minute chocolate chip cookie recipe review.
Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Robin.
I'm Karen. And today we are reviewing a chocolate chip cookie recipe. And the reason why we're reviewing it is because, number one, we love chocolate chip cookies. But number two, you make it in the microwave.
How?
What?
I don't know.
What's even going on in this video? Is that even a thing?
I don't think so.
We're gonna find out, because guess what? We've never made this before. So you are coming along on this ride with us to see
If it works.
Yeah, let's do this. But first, hit the subscribe button because we're cute and we're fun and you definitely want more of us in your life.
It's true.
Cookie. It's out of the microwave oven. 50 seconds is all it took, but we are supposed to let
giant.
It's so huge, but we're supposed to let it cool for like a minute or two till it firms up, and then we're gonna try it. But I gotta say, I think that cookie dough looked pretty much like cookie dough to me, anyway.
It did.
Yeah. So, I don't know. This is interesting. Also, this is the most giant cookie, like, literally ever.
Yeah, that I've ever made.
It's so huge, but it looks pretty good.
Leave us a comment below and tell us what your favorite kind of cookie is.
What's yours? Oh my gosh, you tell me first.
Oh. What are those cookies that you made at Christmas time and they're like brown and they have powdered sugar on them?
Those are called chocolate crinkles.
I like those.
They are so good.
I also like any kind of lemon cookie.
My favorite kind of cookie is actually a chocolate chip cookie, but there is a caveat to that. I like them warm, fresh out of the oven. If they are like a day old, nah.
Or the microwave.
Or maybe the microwave. We're gonna see. Which this might be really bad because now that I can make just one cookie anytime I want, if this turns out to be good, I could be in big trouble. I don't know.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's try it. All right, we've got our chocolate chip cookie. The bottom looks very doughy, and
That's fine.
I like cookie dough, so I don't know. All right, you ready? We're still pretty warm.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay, so don't burn your face off. I don't want you to. It's too cute.
Going to.
No.
It tastes like we put cookie dough in and didn't cook it long enough.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste bad.
It doesn't taste gross. It's like a weird texture, maybe. Like it's not 100% cooked.
But it's not.
But the cookie
Uncooked.
looks cooked. So I don't think leaving it in a little bit longer would make a difference. I just think it's because it's in the microwave. So it's different. I don't know.
It's fine. It's good. It's not the best. It's not the worst.
It's not the best. It's definitely not the worst cookie I've ever had. If you don't want to make a huge batch of chocolate chip cookies, which is normally what a recipe will make you, I would say do this one.
Sure.
But I'm probably not ever going to make this ever again.
Nah.
So it's a mixed review. Like, it tastes good.
But it's not awesome.
Not awesome. It was maybe like a 2.5 stars out of 5. Would you say?
Sure. It's like a C.
Yeah. It's like a C. If you don't mind a C cookie, then this is the cookie for you.
We'll leave the recipe for this cookie in the description so you can go check that out if you want it. And also we'll have a link to the article where we found the recipe. So you can just find all the things in the description.
There's lots of fancy things down there, so go check it out.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.